Welcome back to Primetime News.
Special welcome to folks on OneSpotMedia.com.
Up first this evening, convicted dancehall artist Vybz Kartel and his 3 co-accused will know their fate way earlier than expected.
Now, the UK Privy Council today announced that the judgment will be handed down on March 14, 1 month after the first hearing. Now, many Jamaicans are anxiously waiting to see what will be the court's final decision.
This post was made on X by the United Kingdom Supreme Court at 6:32 Friday morning. It said the judgment will be handed down on Thursday, March 14, 2024, in the matter of Sean Campbell and 3 others, appellants, versus the King, respondent. The other 3 appellants include renowned dancehall artist Vybz Kartel. The announcement sent social media into a frenzy, as many people did not expect the decision to be made so soon. Bert Samuels, one of the 9 attorneys representing the 4 appellants, explained what may have led to the early decision.
What has really happened, and I think in the throw and the push and pull of this case, we had forgotten that there was a successful application for an expedited hearing. So last year when we applied for an expedited hearing, we got an expedited hearing which brought the matter forward to a February 2024 hearing. But we seem to have forgotten that the expedited hearing is still being carried through.
The expedited hearing was initially made due to Vybz Kartel's health condition. Typically, it would take 3 to 4 months after the first hearing before a judgment is handed down by the Privy Council.
We are happy to know that there will be a decision, and of course, because we're optimists, we're hoping that we'll get the best results, which is an acquittal. However, realistically, there are 2 other options open to the court: ordering a retrial, or it also can be that we have lost the appeal, the last of which is not on my books at all.
Vybz Kartel, whose given name is Adidja Palmer, along with Sean Campbell, also known as Sean Storm, Kahira Jones, and Andre St. John, were convicted on March 13, 2014 for the murder of Clive Lizard Williams. They were all given life sentences. Now, they're appealing the conviction on the following grounds. Should the trial judge have excluded the telecommunications evidence relied on by the prosecution? How should the judge have handled the allegations that there were attempts to bribe members of the jury during the trial? Should the jury have been discharged? And was the judge wrong to invite the jury to reach a verdict late in the day given the special circumstances of the case? Well, all eyes will be on the Privy Council come March 14 to see what will be the final decision.